What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. We got a few cars on the list today, and most of these cars, we're not even doing an auction today. We're doing like pretty much an online type of thing, or like a silent auction rather. Got a few cars on the list, man, so let's just check them out and check them out with me. Maybe we can find something decent. Who knows? Let's get into it though. We got a 2007 Chevy Tahoe here, 130,000 miles. Looks like they got some mismatched tires on this thing for one, because the back tires are like super like neatified. If you take a look at the inside, it does. This one was actually a police truck recently, because if you look at the center, it's totally gone. Then you got like the little I don't know, but no third row back there. Definitely was the police model at one point in time. Not that bad of a deal. You may be able to get this thing for really cheap here today. We are doing silent bids because of the coronavirus, so who really knows what these cars are going to sell for. And no third row, no step ladder on the side. Definitely was a police one. Two tires in the back are different, two tires in the front are the same, but this one does have the 5.3 motor. You can, and it looks like, no, I was about to say, see, it kind of looked like it got some shorty headers. I think this one got shorty headers on it, but all in all, does look pretty fair. Nothing that really stands out to me. Does seem like a pretty fair, legit truck. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 06 Mercedes R350 here. Looks like 111,000 miles. Does have some 22-inch wheels on there, which is pretty cool. I mean, it does have a lot of gappage. I personally wouldn't have put these wheels on there, but if you like it, I love it. The color is pretty nice with like, I like that tint on there. You look at that tint. Ooh, I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, this one's good, huh? Yeah, it does have some nice gray leather interior. Third row, that's pretty cool. I like this one. This one looks really good. Oh, 29? Yeah, okay. Oh, they already bid on this one, okay. Got a little Benz here, 111,000 miles. The mileage is pretty low, so I guess it's fair. You can take a look underneath. It is a little V6, nothing really too crazy about it, but. Oh, yeah? Oh, the AMG.
No, it's 4x4.
4x4, okay, bet. So what y'all think about the Mercedes R350? Let me know in the comments below. Looks like we got a 2008 Cadillac DTS, 118,000 miles. We got this thing started. Motor is sounding fairly good. It does have 118,000 miles. Seems pretty legit on this side. We can just take a quick look at the inside. We do have some nice black leather interior, which is pretty fair. It does have like the double moonroof, which is a plus, so that's cool. And then if we check up here, no check engine light or anything like that, so that's really cool too. And it is, that's pretty cool. We ain't gotta have it on all day. I just cut it off for you. Really good looking car though, man. 2008. Now this back wheel is a little slanted in, but no big deal. Dude got a little bump and grind right there.
What's wrong, bro?
No big, man, how you doing, man?
It's here, it's have one sensor for...
Oh, it's a sensor.
Oh, you fucking
know. Right.
It's sensor for power control module.
Oh, yeah, the PCM sensor. Yeah.
Yeah, it's power control module with engine module.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You can get in like junk joint.
Yeah, no, you can definitely find these parts up there. Yeah. It's not that bad. It looks good. Yeah, it looked clean. It only got 118 on it, so it looked pretty clean. Man. Yeah, this one looks good. The Lancer? Oh, yeah, the Galant. Oh, you just need the header. Yeah, the exhaust, the header.
It's running.
Damn, why did they take it off?
It starts, it's on.
Yeah, no, I understand. It runs, but fuck it. That shit's gonna be hella loud. 03 Dodge Ram 1500, 168,000 miles. Looks like it does have hail damage of some sort. You guys see on along the hood, it's a bunch of little tiny dents. This one definitely looks like either hail damage or something like that, but all in all, it does seem pretty fair. If you take a look at the inside, it does have some nice gray and like suede-ish type leather interior, which is a plus. Pretty decent ram, nothing really that stands out. Could use a wheel alignment. That steering wheel is like super crooked, but all in all, pretty good car. It should go pretty cheap here today. I mean, it is like super old, but these things are still selling. The last one sold for like $5,700, and that red one, that was the red one that sold recently. But what do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comments below. We got an 04 Mazda MPV here, 132,000 miles on the dash. Pretty good looking van. It does have a donut on the back. We can take a look under the hood really quick. No big deal. No big deal. 132,000 miles on it. We look at the inside, it does have like this beige interior. Got the wheel back there, so that's a plus. You might just need to find a hubcap for that, as that wheel is flat. Inside is pretty decent. I don't see anything that really stands out. Body so far is in good shape. It does have a tow hitch on the back, so that's a plus. We might be able to tow something with this thing, but I don't know. How strong do you guys think this little Mazda MPV is, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 96 Chevy Silverado here. Looks like 136,000 miles, man. This is a little yellow automobile. You can take a look under the hood really quick. Does look like it has a fresh new alternator of some sort. Got the original like 350 engine in there, no battery over here. So you're gonna need a battery for this thing, but all wheels are matching, so that's a plus. These tires are like super wood, and things are probably gonna be like, you're gonna have to fill them up every day when you leave the house, man. If you take a look at the inside, it does have some like cloth gray interior. The back got a huge like hole back there, I don't know, going to like the bed, like a huge audio wire up here. So this was probably like their little show car at one point in time, but not really that much to show anymore. Not really that much, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 07 Ford Focus here, 92,000 miles on the dash. Pretty good looking. Yeah, pretty good looking car. About to crank it up for us. Looks really good. We can pop the hood on this thing really quick. They just started and I heard it running. It was running pretty good, no knocking or anything like that. So that's a plus. I think they sold this one maybe last week or the week before, but it's been here before. But it does have a pretty nice interior. Cloth beige seats, which look pretty fire. I mean, got some stains. No big deal though. Got the little Kenwood radio, 92,000 on it. Pretty good tires, so that's a plus. You shouldn't have to do too much to it. But I think it's pretty legit, man. I think it's pretty legit. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Man, I thought this was the one we had sold, man, but this one actually is a 03 Honda Accord with 154,000 miles. Really good looking Honda. You guys already know this is definitely my style, as this looks exactly like the last one I got. Underneath here does look pretty intact. I don't see anything that really stands out, so that's a plus. 154,000 miles, no body damage or anything like that so far. Does have the sunroof on that bad boy. If we take a look at the inside, do have some nice black leather interior. However, we do have a stick shift, so not really a fan of the stick shift, but if you like it, man, I love it. Seems pretty fair. I guess that's why we know the mileage is low, because it is a stick shift. But all in all, it seems like a pretty fair ride. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. This is an 07 Camry, 145,000 miles. Looks like the clear coat is pretty much gone on that. Looks like it definitely was repainted at a time. We take a look at the inside. It does have black cloth interior, nothing too crazy, nothing too special. It does have the sunroof, so that's a plus there. No big deal. Does have a little wham bamboozle right here. You might be able to get that back in there, but this whole thing was repainted. Doesn't look like they did a great job, but I mean, it's all one color, so that's a plus. Definitely will need a clear coat or some sort if you really want it A1. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We got a 2000 Pontiac Grand Prix, 107,000 miles on the dash. Now this one was actually here last week, but obviously they didn't come pick it up. This was the one I was trying to get, but they just bid it a little bit too high for me last week, so that means it might go even cheaper this week, so that's a plus. The interior, it does look really great. It only has 107,000 miles on the dash. We need like a little cover for this little ignition column, no big deal. You do have like some cardboard in the window back here, so I'm sure this window right here doesn't roll down. No body damage back there. Like I said, this one does have 107,000 miles on the dash. Engine bay could use a little refreshing, but all in all, everything does look intact, to say the least, so that's a plus. This window is down. I'm sure this one doesn't roll. Yep, this one doesn't roll down either, so gonna need to get these windows fixed. But other than that, seem pretty legit. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 04 530i, 220,000 miles. This one was actually here last week, and I'm pretty sure you guys remember that one. So we'll just keep it moving on. Got a 03 Toyota Camry, 184,000 miles. Got a little dent in the door over here, no big deal. That door is locked. Why they lock the door? This one actually looks pretty good, no big deal here. Yeah, all the little mirror is off, no big deal. They got them good. Look, they wrote all on their hood. No big deal under here. Could use a fresh little pressure wash, but everything else does look pretty fair. So we'll see. Yeah, I'll just show you guys some of the cars that they do got that you guys might not have that I might not have reviewed or nothing like that. Got a little Mazda truck. You would think this was a Ford or something. It's got some pretty nice tint on this joint. Man, that door locked. Stink up in this joint. This one was here last week. We don't want the Expedition. We don't want that Expedition. I don't know. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars sold for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.